store-bought ranch has got nothing on this. Hey there, I'm Lena Brazil and you are watching Evolving Table, where we make good food that's also good for you. Like this homemade buttermilk ranch dressing that's made in just 5 minutes with easy to find ingredients. So let's go ahead and jump straight in and start whisking it up. Grab a medium-sized bowl and add half a cup of mayonnaise. A plant-based mayonnaise may be substituted if you're vegan. Half a cup of sour cream. A dairy-free sour cream may also be used, and this brand is the absolute best if you can find it. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped fresh chives. 2 teaspoons of finely chopped fresh parsley. And 2 teaspoons of finely chopped fresh dill. Dried herbs can also be used, but you'll want to add quite a bit less. Use 2 teaspoons of dried chives, and half a teaspoon of both dried parsley and dill. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder. You really do need both of these powders to get the most classic flavor, so avoid subbing one for the other. 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk these ingredients together until they are well combined. The last thing we need to add in is the buttermilk. If you're not vegan or lactose sensitive, then I highly recommend using buttermilk. It will make your ranch dressing taste the most authentic. When I was first testing out this recipe though, we had 2 of our vegan friends over. So I got a little creative and I ditched the buttermilk and subbed in some oat milk. And y'all, it actually came out pretty good. So if you need to do this too, just make sure that you look for a full fat oat milk or another type of unsweetened plant-based milk. Depending on your preferred thickness, you'll want to add in somewhere between 1/4 to 1/2 cup of milk. Begin by slowly pouring in 1/4 of a cup and whisk the ingredients until smooth and combined. If you're serving the ranch as a dip or sauce, you'll probably want to stop at this point. If you want it a bit thinner to use as a salad dressing, then slowly add in a tablespoon of milk at a time until it reaches your desired consistency. You can serve the ranch immediately or refrigerate it for a few hours for the best flavor. Seriously, the best, y'all. And if you want a few more homemade salad dressing ideas, make sure you check out these other healthy vinaigrette recipes. Thanks so much for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.